Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some Valentine DIYs. I think this is going to be maybe my last Valentine DIY I do because I don't know, I'm kind of running out of ideas for Valentine's Day. I was so excited. This company called ONFORU, they contacted me again. I have worked with this company before and they have the best fairy lights ever. So they sent me some more. They sent me these ones right here. These ones have copper wiring, which I thought was so awesome because I love the copper color. I think it looks super, super cool. And I've been using the spray paint in this color quite a bit lately. So I thought that was like super fun. And then I love these ones because you just pull the little tab out and then they just turn right on. So they already have batteries, which is even like better. So you just pull this little tab out and then turn it on, and like so awesome. I just absolutely love these. I love how the little like battery pack is super small. Also, they sent me some other lights. These ones are like fairy lights as well, but these have stars on them. They're so cool. I don't know if you can see the stars that well, but I'll make sure you get a better view of them once I turn them on. These ones, it does take 3 AA batteries, but it comes in a box of 6. So I thought that was really neat. I'm gonna be doing some DIYs. I'm gonna get started and then show you how I'm gonna use these. So these are what the start lights look like when you get them out of the box. They are also remote control, or there is a little switch right on the box that you can turn them on and off. They do take 3 AA batteries, and there is a timer in 8 different modes. So you actually have like so many options to choose from. But I love this. I think they are so cool, and like they do so many different things, and the lighting is just amazing. I loved putting this in my 3-tier tray. This was just something that I love, having lights in my 3-tier trays. I thought this looked so good, and I also just added the little copper wire fairy lights to my other 3-tier tray. So this is just showing you what I did with these lights, but I absolutely love them. So I'm going to start with the first DIY. I got some of these little picks from the Dollar Tree. They have little Valentine hearts on them. I got some red and then I got some pink, and then I am just going to be adding them to this jar. I actually got this jar right after Christmas. It just had like some bath bombs and stuff in it, but I thought this would look really cute to use it for decor. And then I did end up having to rearrange the lights just a little bit because I seen once I did turn it on, there was only lights at the bottom of this, and then I added some of those little balls as well. Those came from the Dollar Tree too, and this is it for the first DIY. This was so easy to put together, and I absolutely love it. And the next DIY, I'm just going to be using this little love wooden sign in a piece of scrap wood along with Waverly chalk paint in white. And I'm just going to take the chalk paint and just paint over the scrap piece of wood that I had. I get all of this from my neighbor. I know a lot of people ask me where I get all my scrap wood from, but if you don't have a neighbor that does woodwork like I do, you can get some pretty inexpensive wood from Menards. So if you're buying Menards, they have like a clearance spot for wood. So I would definitely check that out. And then I'm just going to take the apple barrel, paint in red apple, and then I'm just going to paint this love sign. I did take the back off in the little twine that was holding it up. You can use this as a hanger, but I am just going to glue this right to the scrap piece of wood, so I didn't want the hanger or anything on the back of this. And then once everything was dry, I just took a black Sharpie marker and a ruler so I could kind of make this back look like shiplap. And I absolutely love this. This was one of the most simple DIYs I have ever done.
I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it.
And then I just took some E6000 and glued this right to the center. I think this looks so neat and clean, and seriously, this is probably one of my favorite things I've ever made, and it only cost me $1 to make.
It all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
The very last thing is I have these hearts. I got this on like a welcome sign type thing. They're all hanging. I've used quite a few of these little hearts, but they're from the Dollar Tree, and then some chalkboard spray paint and a couple pieces of scrap wood. And I did just paint the scrap wood with the white Waverly chalk paint, and then I just spray painted these hearts with a chalkboard spray paint, and I just glued them with hot glue right to the center of the scrap wood. And then I also took some twine on the first one and just wrapped it around the bottom and then just tied it on the back side. And then the other one, I did put twine on the top and I just wrapped it around the top, tied it, and then I just wrapped it around the bottom as well and tied it. So super simple and easy. And then these are little chalkboards, so you can write your own little saying on them. I just wrote I heart you. I don't have the best penmanship or the best handwriting, so I wasn't gonna get like super crazy and carried away with this. But I love these, and these were super easy to make as well. But that is it, you guys, for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And make sure you go check out the links in the description box below so you guys can check out those awesome fairy lights that I did receive. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.